Okay, in today's video we'll see how to create a webinar. So this is our LMS. Now I'll go to webinar. So when I say webinar, you think about how to create a live class. So I'll go to webinar. Here we have three tabs. One is active, one is manage, one is account info. So in active you will see all the active webinars that are listed. You will see a calendar, you will see different filters here. So you will see all the list of webinars that are active. As of now, there are no active webinars for the next 5 days. So I'll go back. In manage, you will see all the webinars that were created so far. That list you will have here. So in account info, config, you will have the how to set up a webinar. For example, you want it to be a Zoom or you want it to be Gmeet. What are the accounts that you want to set it up, and who are the faculty who want to access these accounts. Those information can be set in this account info, config. Now we'll see how to create a live class or a webinar. So I'll go to manage. I hear two options, create and import. When I click on create, if I want to create single live class, if I want to create multiple live classes, then I can make use of import functions. So if I click on import, I'll be asking webinar new or you want to update. That means if you want to create multiple new webinars or if you want to update multiple webinars. So when I click on webinar new, it will take this page where I have a sample. I have downloaded that sample and fill the data for whatever columns that are there in that Excel sheet. Okay, so that is import part. So let's not concentrate on that. Let's see how to create a single live class. So I'll go and click on create here. Now I'll come to this page where I have to set a title for my live class. So I'll give title as Tripod Sample. I'll select the group to which this should belong to. I'll click on this content group, and I have one more group that I want to, this one. So you can choose any group that you want to choose. Now once you select the content groups, all the courses associated with that content groups will be listed here. So you can select whichever course that you want this live class to happen. Then you can give the description. Then we can select whichever ID that we want to start with, either Zoom, Gmeet, and we can also give password. This password is set for everyone who tries to join our live class. So they should keep a password and then they will be allowed to enter the live class. You can provide meeting IDs. If there are numerous meetings that you're planning, then you should provide a meeting ID for that. And you can set the owner or a faculty who wants to start this webinar. You can provide that here. Then you have session time. Either you want it to be a group session or you want it to be an individual session. That based on your requirement, you can set that. And the webinar account, from which account you want this to be tagged, that you can select here. So I'll leave it auto assign. Then I'll give a start date, start time, end date, end time. I'll give a start date as July 1st. Probably the time would be so it's 5:30. End date, same date. Let's assume I have to take for 10 minutes of live class. So I'll give that. Then I'll click on save. So that live class is created. Now if I go to any faculty portal associated with that webinar, they will be able to see Tripod Sample, the start time, and the faculty will be able to start this webinar. So if I click this start webinar, so it will learn Zoom account is activated. So see, Zoom account is activated. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you.